Assalamu alaikum friend. So first of all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are fine. So our today topic is computing, the difference between information technology and computer science. So now we explain it and briefly. The study of IT and computer science are two different areas under the same industry. These similarities can make it hard to distinguish between the two of them, especially when deciding which one to first for your further education. While both IT and computer science deal extensively with computers, the specialization, education, and job opportunities available to graduates of the two courses can differ. Generally, computer science refers to designing and building computers and computer programs. Information technology, on the other hand, refers to maintaining and troubleshooting those computers and their network system and database to ensure they run smoothly. Truth of the matter is there is no such thing as better because they lead to different careers and have different specialization ops or subfields. Either discipline is a great choice for your studies as long as you are fascinated about technology and you understand what each study option imply. Which more difficult, computer science or information technology? A degree in computer science is required for more advanced option in the information technology field. It's typically harder to get a job in computer science. IT has more subjects as they can go to hardware, networking, telecommunication, software, and many more. And CS mean computer science. You will be aware of software, hardware, networking, information technology. Graduates have a broader scope of knowledge which may open up more available jobs. Both are in abroad, both are here and abroad. On the other hand, a degree in computer science might have a higher salary to offer, but along with better compensation comes higher expectations regarding your skills. A major difference between information technology versus computer science is how a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science takes a more focused approach toward the mathematical and scientific skill sets needed to program apps and processes that improve operation and provide innovative solutions to both colleagues and clients alike. The difference between computer science and IT is like engineering and physics, said Dr. Tang Yu Liang, the head of the IT program department in Health University. You go into university to study physics, which is a poor subject and academic subject, whereas you study engineering, it is an applied subject. You use physics to solve problems and like electrical engineering. So IT is the same thing. So thank you friend for watching my videos. If you are new here, kindly subscribe my channel and also like and share my videos. Thank you.